At Mearns Gadget Repair, we provide expert iMac SSD upgrade and replacement to dramatically improve speed and performance. Upgrading your iMac to an SSD means faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and a more responsive system overall. Our technicians carefully remove the existing drive and install a high-performance SSD, ensuring proper setup, data safety, and optimal system configuration. Every iMac is fully tested after the upgrade to guarantee stability, reliability, and long-term performance. If your iMac feels slow or outdated, an SSD upgrade is one of the best improvements you can make. iMac SSD upgrade and replacement available in Newton Mearns. Trusted service by Mearns Gadget Repair.